Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Jeep Cherokee Latitude 4-wheel drive. Stock number B8991AA. Only 16,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade. Clean auto check history report. We sold this Cherokee brand new. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper, along with a certified 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, with an additional 3-month, 3,000 mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5, cloth interior. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear, with additional underfloor storage. No dents or dings in the body. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large read gauges. Again, only 16,000 miles with driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, great for those cold winter days. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. Select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. And lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Auto dimming mirror and HomeLink transmitter for garage door openers. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 3.2-liter V6, 271 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB 8991AA to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.